enormous amount that you need to pay when you're applying for visa. How are you reacting to that?
What I can say is that when President Tinubu came in, he directed that there has to be reciprocity with regards to visa. We must make sure that we give the same duration, same length of visas to countries just as they give us. So if America is giving us 5 years to regular travelers, we switched, we were giving them 5 years. President Tinubu emphasized this. Now, in the case of UAE, you know that there were issues in Dubai, some Nigerians that were involved in nefarious activities, and perhaps in reaction to that, there was this visa ban by the UAE. We engaged them. President Tinubu even went there, I believe, 3 times, and talks went on, and there was a resumption based on the agreement that there will be a process of screening and all of that. It does not domicile with our embassies. This is being handled by the National Security Advisor, okay? And there's some sort of screening process that would result in the issuance of visas. So that is ongoing.
All right.
We are actually quite surprised that all of a sudden we're hearing this. I don't know if it is a copycat move because the U.S. has announced this. Then all of a sudden the UAE is announcing its own. But it is most regrettable. We hope that they will revisit this issue if indeed that is the case. I have not been communicated to by the Emirati foreign minister.